Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting an AI tool that matches your image needs, upscaling, deblurring, or general enhancement. Once chosen, make a duplicate of the original file and open the copy so you never overwrite the source. Next, perform quick manual fixes, crop out distractions, and correct obvious exposure issues. This helps the AI focus. You should also note the image size and format because model choices depend on resolution. After that, run the first gentle deblur pass to see baseline improvements. Now refine the deblurring process by tweaking parameters. Start with strength and radius, and change in 25% steps to avoid artifacts. You should also use masks. Isolate the subject and apply more aggressive correction there, while keeping the background softer to maintain natural bokeh. Make sure to preserve fine detail controls to avoid a plasticky look. Once done, run a second pass and alternate between one zoom views of the original, the first pass, and this refined result to judge improvement precisely. Finish by applying selective sharpening to the focus subject and a measured noise reduction to smooth grain. Export using the target size and format you need. Make sure to preview at the final output dimensions so sharpening and noise reduction read correctly. If you spot halos, ringing, or plastic texture, lower the deblur strength and radius, or paint a local mask and use a healing brush to fix small defects. One key troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, back off to the previous pass and increment changes smaller than before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.